Hi guys, this is Shelly from Shelly Cooks. I wanted to share something really simple with you that I have just started using. It's actually honey with ginger grated up in it. And it is an amazing drink. I think if you're feeling as if you have a cold coming on or something like that, it is very, very simple. The thing that I would recommend if you do it is that you use the raw honey. I lucked in, and I actually just discovered this place recently. It's Gibbs Honey in Van Cleek-Hill in Ontario here. And it's a wildflower honey, and my gosh, the taste is amazing. But when you combine that with the ginger, it's incredible. So I'm trying to give up coffee. So this is my drink of choice in the morning, and I just put a tablespoon in my cup, and I'll put it in the tea strainer, and I'll just let it steep for a while. I make sure that the water isn't boiling hot. It's hot, but not boiling hot, because that'll eliminate all of the great properties that you're looking for with the honey. So I just thought I would share it with you if you're interested, if you have a cold, if you're looking for a new drink for winter. I can't stress enough how enjoyable this is. So give it a try. And if you want, I can put the link for this honey. By the way, I've paid for this honey. I don't know, I didn't receive it to do a video or anything like that. It's just that I really do like to bring good products to you when I do my videos. So I hope you give it a shot and let me know what you think of it. Have a good day. Bye-bye.